So today we're going to 2000 Honda CRV. This happens to have the 4-cylinder in it. We'll be doing an oil change. I highly recommend Mobile One. Mine's an OW20, obviously. Most of them are. I got the Mobile One, and right now they're running a promotion. Free hat. Free tactical hat with an oil change. So anyway, you're going to need, start out, you're going to need a Phillips head. You're going to take this beautiful little plate off the bottom. 4 Phillips head screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're located there. Take the plate off. Take the oil filter off nice and easy. And then the 17 for the bolt. Take that off nice and easy. Let it drain. You can sit here for days if you want. Sit here as long as you want. And let it drain. And then when you feel comfortable, put the plug back in. Wipe it off pretty good. Get all that oil off. It's a newer car. Keep it clean. Less oil you have, less dirt buildup on the outside. Easier to detect a leak down the road. So we're going to go ahead and put the new oil filter plug back in, clean her up a little, put it back together, and I'll show you how to reset the light. Little bit of tidbit of information. So Honda did make it kind of friendly. So you see it has a clip that'll hold it in place. The back goes in there and the front goes in that clip, and then it holds it there. So that's the bottom of the motor, and you put the 4 screws back in. Here's the top of the motor. You see the cap actually tells you OW20. Here's where you check it at. After you fill it, start it, let it run for a little bit. Pull the dipstick out. Make sure you're in the hash marks and the 2 dots. Okay, so now we're inside. Take the key and turn it 1, 2 clicks till you're on and it's beeping. Take your button up here, and I'm on it now, but I'll just cycle through. You want to cycle through till you get to the oil life percent. You're going to push and hold it. Should be about 10 seconds. Let go. Press and hold it one more time. You're going to get 100%. Oil life 100%. I like to turn the key off just to reset everything and then start it up. And then 100%. We also had the maintenance light on, the little wrench. That's gone now also. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, maybe subscribe if you'd like. I'm only here to help you, as people help me.